If you're looking for a sperm donor, you have hundreds and hundreds of options. So how do you get started? I always recommend making a list of characteristics and qualities that you value in yourself and in those people that you care for. Think about the things that bring you joy about your family, your friends, things that you value in yourself, things that are important to you. Perhaps you're really athletic and you played a lot of sports growing up. Put that down as a characteristic. You want a donor that's athletic. Maybe you're very tall, or maybe you're not so tall, and you'd like a tall donor. Add that to your list. Perhaps you value your ethnic heritage and really found it to be an important part of your cultural experience. You can always look for donors with similar ethnic backgrounds to yours. There's so many parameters that you can use to start whittling that list down. Obviously, you can also use really important medical parameters, things like blood type, Rh factor, CMV status, or genetic carrier status. Comprehensive medical profiles are available on all donors, and that will give you 3 to 4 generations of medical history. I say 3 to 4 because it's dependent on the donor situation. All medical histories should offer you the donor's medical history, that of their parents, and that of their grandparents. A 4th generation would be if the donor themselves has a child. Those are really comprehensive, good packets of information that gives you an overview of the family's general health. There's also many products that you can use to find a donor that feels right for you. Most banks will offer childhood photos, sometimes adult photos, audio interviews, essays written by the donor, personality type assessments. I've always gotten good feedback about the donor audio interviews. These are a great opportunity to really get a little deeper into the donor's personality, learn about their likes and dislikes, hear their voice, hear the way that they speak, what are their motivations, what do they care about, what drives them. Choosing a sperm donor is an incredibly personal decision, and it's a unique experience for each person or couple. Take your time, review all of the information available, and most importantly, follow your instincts. Good luck.